This how I was looking all day. Why nobody ain't told me nothing? Your phone halfway dead. You didn't keep them lips from being crusty and dusty. Just bring them. Don't forget them, okay? What's up, y'all? It's Akira, and I'm back with another video. So as you can tell by today's title, I'm going to be showing y'all what I have in my emergency kit for back to school. So y'all know it's August, okay? Almost September. It's time for us, to go back to school. I start school actually the Monday coming, so I start school just like my last kind of like free weekend or whatever, because I don't know about y'all, but I'll be studying during the weekend too, because sometimes I can't just fit it all during the week, so gotta make those sacrifices. But aside from having everything in my book sack, dealing with like school supplies, it's also a good thing just to have an emergency kit, just to have some necessities, some must-haves, just to help you get through the day easier, or you forget something, you'll have it with you, things like that. All right, y'all, so I put my emergency essentials in this little, in this little pouch. It says Hello Beautiful. I've been having this for a while. I actually took this from my mama, okay? But she probably don't even know. But this I'm gonna put my stuff in. Let's get into the things that I am going to have in my emergency kit. So the first thing that I'm gonna be putting in my emergency kit are these tissues, little tissue packets, especially with, like I said, it's August. It's gonna be getting cold soon. Everybody gonna be catching some colds. COVID's still there. So we might have a little runny nose here and there. We might have a spill here and there. We might have to wipe something off our face, our makeup, just anything that, tissues can be used for. So actually, I always get these little packets of tissues from Dollar Tree, because you get 8 little packets for $1.25. $1.25. So if y'all want something like this, hit up Dollar Tree first before y'all go to Walmart, before y'all go to Target. Hit up Dollar Tree first, okay, because that's where it's at. So these will definitely come in handy, especially with me, because I always seem to catch a little cold, okay? It never fails. I always gotta blow my nose, so it's gonna be good for me. The next thing that I have in my emergency kit are these little Tylenol packets. So just anything to be using for headaches, because we in school, I might be stressed and I might catch a little stress headache. TMI, but if you're on your cycle, might catch a little headache, might be aching, back might be breaking. Okay, so I just got me some Tylenol packets. It comes with 6. So, and every time I take Tylenol, y'all only take one. So this is gonna last me a long time. Then it's the extra strength, so I really only need 1. The next items that I have are for your breath, okay? We got some gum, some tongue mints. So I don't know if y'all know about these, but these are really good. Like if you don't feel like sitting and chewing a gum, I know in some places you can't chew a gum, like I don't know, like some classes don't allow it, or some places you can't chew a gum. Okay, so here you got your breath strips. So you just they come with 24 like thin slices in each pack. You just put it on your tongue, let it dissolve, and then it's gonna feel like you have mouthwash in your mouth, kind of. So instead of having gum, you can just use these breath mints. So the next things that I have is pertaining kind of like to personal hygiene. So the first thing that I have are these feminine wipes. So every time that I use the restroom and I feel like using wipes, I could just use these, and make sure to get the non-scented ones, just for down there. Might be more sensitive. So yeah, so especially if you're on your cycle, there's like the time that I feel like a lot of people use wipes more often. So this is just perfect just to carry on around. A lot of people don't use tissue only, they might use wipes. So this is good for me to have. The next thing I have are these panty liners. So I usually like to wear some. I usually like to wear them daily. If I'm just at home, then no, but I usually like to wear them daily. It's just what makes me comfortable. So in case I need to swap throughout school, then of course, yes. And another thing that I also bring pertaining, you know, with the cycle part are pads, of course. You know, you just gotta be strapped up with the pads, okay? You gotta have extras in your purse, in your bag, in your car, because you just never know. And not, you don't need any. You know, there may be someone who you know that may ask you if you have one, or someone that just may be in need. So it's always good just to keep extra of those feminine products handy. The thing that I have is just some body spray. I don't let for my body spray, okay? I don't, because I have some miniature bottles, the small bottles of my perfume and stuff, but I'm not gonna bring my big girl perfume in my emergency kit. So I just got some little body spray, because I usually, of course, I spray myself before I leave the house. But throughout the day, you know, if it's been a long day, if the scent is fading, then I'll just have this to use and just refresh. The item that I have is, of course, some lip gloss. I feel like everybody already know. You know, just bring you some lip gloss, some Carmex, anything, okay? Just to keep them lips from being crusty and dusty. Polished. Okay. The next thing that I have is this mini comb. I need to get a mini brush. I mean, I have a brush, but the brush is kind of big to put in that pouch, but I probably can fit it because we have like 3 brushes in the house. 3? What do we need 3 different brushes for? I don't know. Anyway, so I have this comb that can fit in the pouch, and just for any time, you know, I need to slick my hair back, okay? Just having a long day, having to slick the hair is falling apart. Cause I don't know if y'all be feeling like this, but sometimes if you be moving around a lot, either at work, at school, anything that you do that just involves you, you know, moving around a lot, not being able to see your face for most of the day. And then when you finally get in that mirror and be like, oh child, this how I was looking all day, why nobody ain't told me nothing? You know, so you can just do a quick 1-2 with the brush, the comb, and get that all straightened out, all good. All right, so of course you got the comb. Now you gotta have some scrunchies or something to tie your hair back, okay? So I bought me some scrunchies to put in my emergency kit. Another thing that you can include in your emergency kit, which I don't have yet because I don't have a small bottle, is edge control. So edge control and the edge brush. If you do your edges, if you know, you know. If you know, you know, okay? So you can keep a little container of edge control and edge brush in your emergency kit, especially whenever it's still like the summertime or you just gonna be sweating and stuff. You know that your edges can curl up or, you know, just come out of place. So you might want to fix it up in the mirror whenever you can. So the next thing that I have that I feel like a lot of people should invest in is a portable charger. Yes, I actually have to charge this up, but I've been having this portable charger for a while. It's the brand ONN. And I got this from Walmart for a long time ago. It was kind of expensive, probably like $30-$40, but it's been living up to its cost, okay? So buy you an extra charging card and bring you your portable charger, because you never know, one day, you know, you might be running late for school, your phone halfway dead, you didn't charge your phone throughout the night, it wasn't charging, and you know, nobody wants to go the whole school day without having having a dead phone, without having a phone, period. Okay, yeah, you might have your laptop, you might have your iPad or whatever you have, but essentially you're gonna want your phone. So just make sure that I have a portable charger on standby. The next thing that I have that everybody already knows is some Germ-X, some hand sanitizer, okay? Either get you some hand sanitizer, and you can get you some disinfectant wipes, maybe to wipe down your desk and your chair before you sit on it. I don't know, you know, how many people does things like that, but that'll come in handy too. And the Germ-X is self-explanatory, especially with the doors. Like I said, the doors, the desk. You know how many students a day touch the same doorknob, one after the other? You know, sometimes it's just too much. You gotta just you gotta just sanitize your hands, because there's a lot of people that touch doorknobs. Like whenever I go to school, I'm not kidding y'all, if I have on a jacket, I will, you know, put the sleeve over my hand, and I will use that to turn the doorknob, because I know how many people touch that throughout the day. And not to say like anybody is nasty, but you know, everybody just has germs on them, of course. And like I said, especially when it gets closer to the winter months, you know, a lot of people are sick before they even start showing symptoms. So it's just a lot that you got to be careful with. The next thing that I keep in my emergency kit is some cash. Okay, always keep a little bit of cash with you, okay? Because you never know which places be like, oh, we can't accept card today, the card machine is down, or they just don't accept card in general. Okay, just always try to have some cash on you in case you leave your actual card at home, in case something wrong with your Apple Pay, in case you thought you had money on there but you didn't, thought you had money on Cash App but you didn't. So just keep you some cash just in case. It ain't even gotta be a lot. It just gotta be something where you can get you some gas with, get you some food, get you a snack, whatever you need to do. Okay, just keep you a little bit of cash on you. Next thing that I have is some snacks. Okay, so I just got some pretzels and cheese. I just got this. I'm gonna be adding some more snacks to my collection, but we didn't go grocery shopping yet. We're gonna do that Sunday. So bring you some snacks, child, because like while you in class, don't get nothing crunchy. Crunch. Nobody want to hear crunch while the teacher trying to teach, okay? While they trying to get the lecture. So, but bring you some snacks, because you never, like, I'm telling y'all will get hungry throughout the day, and then it will save y'all money too, because y'all ain't gotta buy food or snacks every day as y'all go to school if y'all just have some snacks already in your emergency kit. And the last thing that I have to show y'all today is, of course, some earbuds, some headphones, some earbuds, whatever you want to do, just bring them, okay? Because after classes, you may want to sit down and study, in private, just listen to your music and vibe. Walking around campus, you might want to listen to your music. So, everybody be listening to music, everybody be in their own world. So, and I personally love to listen to music, especially when I'm by myself, because it don't make it as awkward. And when I'm studying, I like to listen to like the study type classical music and kind of block off all of the other sounds. So talking to people, if you don't want to, of course, you got your book sack, you probably have some books and stuff. You don't want to hold your phone to your ear. So of course, AirPods, earbuds, whatever you have, just bring them. Don't forget them, okay? Alright, y'all, so that's all that I'm going to be bringing in my emergency kit. Drop down some more items below that I probably missed, because I'm probably just not thinking of it, and I'll probably love to include it in my emergency kit, as well as the people that read the comments. They're going to get ideas too. But yeah, so I hope everyone that's going to school, y'all have a great semester, a great school year. I hope that y'all school year is very prosperous and successful. I pray that y'all become an academic weapon, okay? And even if you're not going to school, but you're just watching this, like, to make an emergency kit for work or anything, I pray that you have good days at work. I pray that you get a promotion. I pray that, you get along with everybody who you work with. I just pray that you have good days, okay? And I pray that you love your job. All right, y'all, but thank y'all so much for tuning in today. I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. I might do a get ready with me for the first day of school. I'm gonna think about it, but other than that, thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll catch y'all in the next one. See, my days are cold without you, but I'm hurting while I'm near you, and though my heart can't take no more, I keep on